Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Dell Vostro 3420 14-inch notebook. So friend, Dell launched the Vostro 3420 notebook PC with a 14-inch Full HD display, and it features a function called Express Charge rapid charging feature that can charge to laptop 80% in less than an hour. And friend, it also comes with Dell ComfortView, which blocks the blue light and eliminates eye strain, create and save password and encryption keys using commercial grade security chips. And friend, it also includes features such as trusted platform module 2.0. And friend, the list basic model features the Core i3 1115G4 processor, 8 GB of DDR4 memory, 256 GB of NVMe M.2 SSD storage, Gigabit LAN, IEEE 802.11 AC wireless LAN plus Bluetooth, and 41 hour by 3 cell battery and added battery. And from the main body measures 323.67 mm in width, 220.26 mm in depth, 18.62 to 23.02 mm in height, and it weighs about 1.48 kg. And friend, the operating system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $699. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.